Hello, this is Shamim from SS Soft Tech Institute. So many beginners asked me how I want to be a software developer or web developer. What is the good process or path to be a developer? So give me any suggestion regarding these issues. That's why I'm gonna think, okay, I will give you some informations that basically help you how you want to be a software developer or web developer. Probably you have got a lot of information, thousands of developer. So many developer give you a lot of informations how you want to be a software developer or web developer. So I will give you the same path and same procedure, but in the last session in my video, I will share a different tips that basically help you how you get started and how you start thinking properly. So first, you know that you need a programming language first. Any programming language you are gonna choose, like this should be a Python or JavaScript, C, C++, Java, whatever. The programming language doesn't matter because every language has maintained the same procedure, and you can learn very easy language in first, like Python. Python is a very easy language. So probably you're gonna choose first as a Python language. So the programming concept you start learning. W3 School or any other website you just visit or go to the Python documentation, you can get a lot of information regarding the Python basics and syntax. You properly learn because this syntax and basic will help you how you want to be a developer. After getting the syntax and basics properly, then the main scenario you're gonna start now, because programming language is nothing. It's just a tool. Using this tool, you're gonna make something. So probably you can learn a programming language like Python or Java or whatever. You just learn a syntax or basic. So learning basic or syntax is not the main thing or main part. After learning this syntax and basic, then start your main things and focusing the main part. First of all, programming language is like a language, like Bangla, English, French, Arabic. This is a language. You just use this language to communicate with other people, Just use this language. Python or programming language is kind of the similar thing. By using this language, you just make your tool, make your whatever you are gonna make. So after learning this language like French, Arabic or English or programming language, now you just use your tool, use your programming language or Arabic English. When you are gonna learn English, you just communicate with other using English. When you're gonna learn Python, you just start making your project using programming language. Now the basic part, how you make your project, how you develop your project. So using the language, just a tool, and using the language is important, but developing your thinking process is more important. So after learning any kind of programming language, then the main concept or main procedure start. This is start thinking logically. So So many people or many developer give you the suggestion, start learning DSA, data structure and algorithm. Yes, this is very important because data structure and algorithm give you the proper path. What's the process to solve it? What is the best process to solve your problem? That's why data structure and algorithm you need to learn. So after learning data structure algorithm, then you go to solve the problem. Probably you can find some website like LeetCode or Codeforces. You go there and at least 100 problem you solve. These will help you how to write code or how to write code logically. You have a problem set, and this problem set you just convert to programming language and solving the problem. So now this is the path. This path will tell you many developer and most of the developer, because this is the academically path. That means you start learning programming language, then start learning data structure and algorithm, then you go to the any website like LeetCode, like Codeforces or LeetCode, and start solving problem. This is the good path to solve any kind of problem. After that, now I'll share my experience. Yes, you start now, you know how to write code, how to solve some problem, but this time start thinking logically and start making your own problem and try to solve. These will help you more, because when you start making your own problem and try to solve this problem, you probably find many problem at a time, and these will basically, okay, I'm thinking this is my problem, but my problem set is not correct, so I should go to correct my problem set, then I go to solve my problem. So at the same time, you are a problem maker and you are a problem solver. This should be an excellent process, I guess. So many developers have a problem set and they solve the problem. Yes, this is a good process, but my experience, my process is that, okay, I'm gonna make my problem in my individual problem, in real life problem, in my outside problem. When I go to my home, when I go to my market, when I go to hang out with my friends, we have got a lot of problems, bunch of problems we have. So yes, I take my problem and idea from them and try to solve this problem using programming language and show my web page. These will help you a lot. So this is the tips I will share with you. Probably this is a very toughest job. Oh my God, I'm gonna make my problem and then go to solve. Oh, this is very tough job. But start thinking critically or very simple way. Like, you make your problem and you're gonna solve your problem. How fantastically how fine it is, right? So my suggestions to the beginner: when you start your journey in this sector, you make your own problem, real life problem. Then you start thinking logically, start thinking practically. Is this possible to solve the problem or not? Probably yes. So you have spent 1 month, 2 months, 3 months to solve one problem, but these problems help you to solve thousands problem. That's why it is important, and it will help you a lot to be a proficient and more proficient developer. Probably you need to take a lot of time to solving the problem, but when you get your idea, when you are getting your hand in that particular time, you're just a fantastic programmer. You'll be just a fantastic programmer. So how you start thinking logically and making your problem and solve your problem. So this is the 3 or 4 procedure. Start making or start thinking logically. 1. So you get an idea how you start thinking logically from data structure and algorithm. 2nd, you start making your own problem, real life problem. So this is the 2nd part. 3rd, the problem will transfer to the programming language. And 4th, the problem will be solved using programming language and show to the web page. So this is the procedure. Probably you are gonna think logically and perfectly. You have so many logic, but you are not start making your own problem. So how you get your problem? Look, in our life we get a thousands problem in every day. We're gonna face a thousands problem every day. So problem we have. No man can face a problem. Problem will always with you. So you never deny your problem. So take a problem, very simple problem you're gonna take first. Like, I have a 4 wall in my room. So every wall or 4 wall has you are gonna store your one variable. So this is a 4 wall. One wall is not a beautiful. You just delete this wall from this room. So these wall will very problematic. So you want to just delete, and you are gonna set a new wall in that back. So this is a problem. That problem is basically you have a wall, you don't like that wall, you just want to delete this wall, right? And you just want to add a new wall in that place. So you're gonna make your problem, you're gonna solve your problem. So this is start thinking, okay, there is a 4 wall, every wall is connected, so I need to delete this one, this wall. So what should I do? Start thinking. When you start thinking and you start converting to the programming language, deleting and adding, append and whatever. So the beginner, this procedure probably will help you to start thinking. Mind it, programming language is nothing until you have a good logic, you are not a good problem solver, and you are not start making your project properly. That's why you just focus on your problem solving every day. Make every day solve at least one problem every day. One day, or after getting some time, after passing some time, like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, or 6 months, you just never think like how perfectly or your performance increasing, how your performance better, and you feel better when you will see your result. So this is a very simple path. I will share some experience, and everyone they give you the they gave you the experience, their experience. They share with you their experience. So you're gonna take their experience and at the same time my experience, and all those experience will help you to go to be a good developer, right? So give at least 1 year or 2 years to learn properly everything. Then you're gonna start making project and go to join any companies, or start making your own something like that you are gonna do. So today this is done. Thank you very much. Bye bye.